Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Harmony 1 right now. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for everything you do to CoinsKid. I'll just keep saying that every single day. That's my intro to my videos, okay? Don't need no special intro. My intro is a message to you, the viewer watching this video. And I'm just saying thank you to your continued support, and sharing is caring, and everything you do to contribute towards growth of CoinsKid here. So thank you. Yeah, diving into one right now, you can see it's acting really nice. Okay, it has got a little bit extended, hence this little rollover and backtest of support right here for one, but beautiful. What a lovely recovery this is. Okay, it is a little bit up there. Basically, it's one of the biggest recovered projects that we're targeting right now. That and Win, both absolutely bolted. Okay, so you can see it's 95% up at the moment to its peak there. Its local high is 119%. Wow. What a recovery, and what a trade as well. You know, we did target this particular bottom here. We gave you this in the channel here. We did say put some cheeky bids in that previous swing high, and for those that you that took that trade, you're now sitting in a lovely bit of profit. And also the W bottom there that was executed, as you can see. I think we were targeting that when it just started to come down. I said to you, you know, this is potentially forming this kind of pattern. It's a good reversal pattern, making the higher lows, the W bottom sort of thing. And yeah, and basically beautiful. It played out to a T, and then obviously you got your target like that to the upside, and boom, that was met. And you can see it's basically gone up there and topped out. So right now it's all good. It's all good. It's formed a bullish cross on the 4-hourly time frame, okay, which is good. But you do want to see it hold that as support. So potentially, if you was to see it break down, you could see that as a level of support. But what I think might be happening here, we might be back testing a key level of support right now, because if we lose that key level of support right now, you're going to go down. You're going to have a bit of correction here, because it's going to form something called a double M top pattern, okay, which is a reversal pattern. Just like you've got this W bottom, you know, on the 4-hourly here, you're sort of running out of steam, so to speak, and you're forming this this double M top pattern. So you do need to see the bouncing and continuation. Otherwise, you know, you enter a level of consolidation, allowing these EMAs to creep up, get the back test before continuation. Failing that, obviously, if you do start to lose this key level of support just here, okay, I will give you that in a moment. If you do start to close below that, you will start to see a bit of a correction here for one. So far so good. It's gone up, and obviously you don't want it to go up like this too quickly, okay, and it has gone up a little bit quickly, so obviously it's slowing down. It's good. It's perfectly healthy, okay? So right now we're going to drop the fib in to see exactly what's going on with it, and where it's hit its head and where it's falling back to, okay? So what we do with Fibonacci, we bring this up from the bottom to the top, just like that, and then what we do, we move it across so we can see a little bit better. So we're going to zoom in right now on the 4-hourly. Don't forget this is 4-hourly time frame, so you can see this retracement here to the all-time high is obviously coming up against resistance just here. That resistance, this level of resistance that we created for self multiple times like that, and then we've come up and we've hit our head. Do you see this? We've bolted through this 0.5. Okay, that's why you're seeing it backtest it as support, and that's what I'll always say to you when you go through things like a hot knife through butter. You want to see that backtest, and eventually, if this does break down, you will start seeing it backtest to 382, because it's not even backtested that. Look, it's just shot up through resistance, and usually you do see these backtests. So right now you can see it's backtesting 0.5, and it's actually holding it as support. So that's great. If it does start to lose that, then I would anticipate a correction down to test that. Okay, so do anticipate that. If you do start to see it lose 0.5, put in a little short down there to backtest that as support as well, which is a 13% short. Beautiful little trade. So if it does start to correct and lose this particular level there at 129,113, start to see it close below that. Okay, well, look at the hourly to see what's going on. Yeah, okay, so it's sort of running out of steam. Do you see that? Because it's hitting its head on the 0.618 multiple times there, and it's kind of rolling a little bit. It's fell under the hourly EMA there, so that's quite negative. It's holding it down a little bit. It's just looking for another test of support, potentially this 55. If it starts to lose that, like I said to you, put in a little short, because it will come down to that particular level there. It will come down and it will look for support off it. Failing that, if we switch back to the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that the EMAs, the 20 and the 55, which you do need to see yourself stay above for continuation, they are actually above that. So effectively, what might happen, it might just hang around here for a little bit, allowing these EMAs to creep up, and as it continually backtests its support, it's going to force you up to take out that, okay, and march onwards and upwards and take out this approach to 0.786 there. So do keep an eye on that. They're your fallback targets, okay? Again, can't afford to lose that, because if it does, you're potentially going to come down Backtest these EMAs. If you start to lose them EMAs, you're going to come down to that sort of level there, that 11 cents, okay, which is a good short opportunity. But failing that, you know, you're going to backtest this support and hold, because you have got the bullish cross right now in the 4-hourly time frame, which is really good. So as long as you can hold that and stay above this yellow line, okay, because it is healthy, what it's doing is really good. Stay above this line, continuation, backtest, start forming some kind of ascending triangle right here as this creeps up, and boom, pops you out, okay? So that's a potential play, but I always want to make you aware we are anticipating across many projects this Elliott wave theory, okay? And it is just a theory, and potentially we've had the C wave down and potentially forming this B wave up, and then for the B wave, if it was to roll over, you would be looking at a deeper C wave correction right there for crypto. But it's not always going to happen, and it's just a theory in itself. So I'm always going to be truthful with you, and that's basically it. That's basically a bit of an update on one. So far so good. I do like the bullish cross. If we do start to break down, we need to hold support on the EMAs, okay, for continuation. Take care, everyone. I'll catch you tomorrow in another one update. Stay strong, stay safe, but most importantly, stay tuned. And yeah, take care. Bye bye.